G'day, Joan Cooksley here from RX Physiotherapy, and at Hustle Heart Health we've been lucky enough this week to be able to host Gabriella Cowley, a ladies European Tour player from England, in her preparations for the Women's New South Wales Golf Open being held at Wollongong Golf Club from the 26th of February through to the 1st of March. And in the video today we're taking Gabs through a TPI screening. To give a little bit of history of Gabs, she actually picked up a lower back injury this time last year in preparations for this exact same event, and she had to have about 10 months away from the game, getting herself good rehab, back to building strength, and then back to practice, back to play. And in the screening today, if we pick up the data from the screening, we did find that her pelvic control and pelvic rotation was lacking, and that's to be expected given her previous injury 12 months ago. And she did mention that at the moment she does tend to come over the top in her swing, which the swing characteristics from the TPI screening did pick up. And from her exercises that the TPI assessment has suggested, it is targeting heavily on that pelvic control and pelvic strength, which we went through a couple of those in the gym as well, and actually implementing the actual pelvic tilt test that we do during the TPI screening as a bit of a warm-up for Gabs in terms of her gym sessions and her practice and play, as she did mention that her lower back and around her kind of hips and pelvic region does get fatigued in those later stages of a tournament, of like end of round 3, end of round 4. So by building that kind of neuromuscular control in through that area, it should help manage those fatigue levels that she does experience, and hopefully prevent that over-the-top swing motion when she does get a little bit tired, and stop those big slices and those big pull hooks that do sometimes happen with that over-the-swing patterning. And you did see in the TPI assessment that her golf fitness handicap is a 2. That just goes to show that even the pros have some kind of weaknesses in some areas, because no one's actually perfect, and it does resonate that you could be the same fitness level as a women's professional golfer and even a men's professional golfer, as they do have their own injuries that they pick up through a season and are always continuously working on their bodies. So if you want to see what you compare to a professional golfer, book in with me for a TPI assessment, and we can kind of try and build you up to the same levels as a professional golfer. Cheers. If you want to see how you stack up against a professional golfer, book your TPI assessment with me today.